Hello friend, today topic how to create a folder and delete a folder window 10 with CMD command. So press the window plus R key and type CMD and open CMD command from. Then create a folder. So now use the command mkdir. Now put the folder created in name Sabneet Yadav. So now enter the command mkdir and put this folder name Sabneet Yadav. So I have checked the create folder for the system. So now command is dir. Now put create a folder Sabneet Yadav. This is showing for the 11:43 p.m. So time is 11:42 p.m. at 22 September 22. Then this is create a just now create this folder. So now and the second command in use this folder has been deleted. So we have checked uh, and we have deleted the command for the rm dir rmdir and you can remove this folder. So I have put create this folder. So now this folder has been not required for me, so I am deleted. So type the command rmdir and delete folder name. Put the delete folder name Sabneet Yadav. Then command then use and deleted folder successful. And then I have checked mkdir idr dir enter. Then not showing for this any system Sabneet Yadav for the system for the folder not showing. So delete this folder has been deleted successfully for the system. That just put create a folder and now that rmdir use this command and remove the folder. Not showing this folder. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and please support him for the channel Technical Boy Delhi.